Found AQZ files in your casual games directory from Ancient Quest of Saqqarah? These are the packaged game assets for this classic puzzle adventure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's what these files are all about. Pro tip: for AQZ files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. AQZ files are game data archive files used by Ancient Quest of Saqqarah, a puzzle adventure game by Codeminion. They contain packaged game resources including graphics, sprites, animations, sound effects, music level definitions, and gameplay configuration data required for the game to run properly. AQZ files are game data archive files used by Ancient Quest of Saqqarah, a puzzle adventure game by Codeminion. They contain packaged game resources including graphics, sprites, animations, sound effects, music level definitions, and gameplay configuration data required for the game to run properly. The specialized program designed to handle AQZ is the Ancient Quest of Saqqarah by Codeminion. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows provides no functional preview, so viewing game data relies on compatible modding applications. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the AQZ file and click Open with Test the Ancient Quest of Saqqarah if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If you still can't open the AQZ file, it's okay. Since the AQZ file didn't open, we need to address these 3 most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, launch the game. AQZ files are loaded automatically by the Ancient Quest of Saqqarah game executable during startup. Simply launch the game through its shortcut or executable file. The game engine reads all required AQZ data files from the installation directory without any manual file interaction needed. Next, verify game installation. If the game reports missing or corrupted data files, verify all AQZ files are present in the game's installation directory. Compare against a fresh installation or repair the game through the platform you purchased it from, such as Steam Big Fish Games or the original installer. Finally, explore with archive tools. For modding or curiosity, try opening the AQZ file with 7-zip or a universal archive extractor, as some game archives use standard compression with custom extensions. If the file opens, you can browse the contained resources. If not, a game-specific unpacker tool may be needed for the proprietary format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.